Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is the Mangatech Education Center, and today I'm going to show you how to get into your class. So if you registered for this class, we would have sent this email to you, and if you go to the bottom, this is our class link, so all messed up, and click join with nickname, and if you go back to the email, we created a nickname for all of you. So I'm Hassan Ahmadjan, so I'm going to use this nickname, paste it, and enter, and now you're in the class. So if you click classes, you can see that you are currently in this class, and you can also see all the examples in this class. And yeah, so if you want to share us what you made with a teacher in this classroom, then you can just click the activity you want to share it in, and click create new design, and then click circuits, and then you can make whatever you want, and all your designs will show up over here. And yeah, that's it.